All right, here we are on the third mountain coaster of the Tennessee trip, Rocky Top Mountain Coaster. This is the longest mountain coaster in Tennessee, and their slogan is, "You've tried the rest, now ride the best." And let's see, right now I do think that the ski mountain coaster at Ober has the best layout, but the Moonshine Mountain Coaster is the smoothest. If this has the best layout and is the smoothest, we're gonna have a great ride here. This is 9 minutes long, and so let's just have a good time. I'm pretty sure he said there was 4 lift hills, so yeah, and we might even be able to see Dollywood. It's right out over there, so once we're at the top we might be able to get a look in there, because that's where we're going tomorrow. We are here in Pigeon Forge. Oh, let me tell you, today is Sunday. We're going to Dollywood Monday, so this is going to probably come out before the Dollywood vlog, but the second part of this is going to be happening after Dollywood, if that makes any sense. But I don't know anything about this. I haven't watched a video of this, so we're just gonna see what happens, I guess. Is that Dolly Parton?
Thank you for riding the Rocky Top Mountain Coaster.
All right, here we go. Full speed. Once again, we're not gonna be slowing down. Whoa, my. Oh, my. Oh! Ma'am, how was that? All right, we're gonna. I'm gonna roll forward here. All right, that was the first part. Already pretty smooth. Now up the third lift. Right off the bat, that first section there was very fast-paced. If you don't slow down, you fly through that. Oh, here come some people. That's where we're gonna be going next, through the S-bins, or slalom. In this veil of toil and sin, your head grows bald and not chin. What does that even mean? Burma? Oh, it's probably a shaving company or something. I don't know. Advertisements.
Push your handles to go fast. The bears are coming.
Oh no, the bears are coming. Oh, there's one right there.
Push your handles to go fast. The bears are coming.
All right, let's get into this. Oh, we're speeding up. Oh gosh. All right, there's that section. Segments are pretty short. At the same time, you get a lot of them. All right. This section looks pretty long. Does a bear pee in the woods? Heck yes. Oh, those are creepy. Ew. Alright, going through a tunnel here. Yo! Subscribe to R.C.E. Kingston! Sorry, I had to echo that into your mind there for a second. You know how it be. So far, this has been really fun. Like, I don't even care that there's all these breaks in it. Because look at this scenery. I'm about to see someone come down this long, straight section. There they go. Got a utility path. Theming is nice, like, it's very nicely presented.
Hey, you made it to the top. Push your handles forward and we'll see you at the bottom.
Say hi to the cameras. We're also gonna be doing this one at night. There she goes. Alright, I'm gonna get ready for this one. This looks like the longest segment.
Hey, you made it to the top. Push your handles forward.
All right, here we
and we'll
go.
See you at the bottom.
No fear. Alright. Whoa. 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 We're zooming. Oh. Get ready for the laterals. Oh. Oh. Hit my hand on those bushes. I'm not sure if this is the final segment, but if it is, it's got to live up to that other segment, because that one it wasn't as forceful, but man, it was fast. This one does look pretty fun. I feel like this one will shine at night, because it's just so all around you. Alright, this is the final lift. Shaving brushes. You'll see them soon on a shelf in some museum. So is that just another advert? I think so. Coming up, there was the first segment. Whoa! Is that a lightning rod? I think I just saw a lightning rod. Alright. Yes, it is! It was lightning rod! Yo, there it is, off in the distance there. Alright, here we go. Full speed. Oh my! There we go. Success.